Perplexity can be used to transcribe a video into text, and let me show you how you can do it. First, you have to navigate to perplexity.ai and then log in with your account. And by the way, this feature is available for both free and pro users. Now, you need to upload the video into the Perplexity chat area. So you can click on this button, or you can just drag and drop the file into this area. So there is this video that I'm going to use. I'm going to just drag and drop the file right here. And there's one thing that you need to know. The limit is not duration, but the size of the video itself. So right now on Perplexity, you can only upload up to 25 megabytes of file. So that's the maximum size that you're allowed to upload. So if your video is very long and or maybe have big resolution, then you might want to compress it or maybe just upload the audio file. So it would be fit within the Perplexity limit. So this is actually the video that I'm going to transcribe, and I guess I'm going to play the video first. So you can get a reference about how accurate Perplexity transcription really is. Well, let me play this video.
I broke into a zoo to prove one man is enough to fight a gorilla.
Welcome to the Chernobyl challenge. I'm gonna lick this glowing pole. Let's see how many views this gets.
Okay, now let's go back to Perplexity. Now the video has been uploaded. I'm going to write this prompt. Transcribe this video into text. And here's another thing that you can do. You can also add timestamp. You can ask AI to add timestamps to the script or to the transcription. So please add timestamps to the text. So that's a prompt that I'm going to use, and make sure that you're using the regular search mode. And here you can select any AI model that you want to use. I think all models in Perplexity do support video and also audio files, so it doesn't matter what AI models you are using. But from my experience, I think GPT 4.1 and Gemini 2.5 Pro are the best when it comes to transcribing a video. But I personally just leaning towards GPT 4.1, so let me select that option. And for the internet search, I usually just disable that. I just want to make sure that Perplexity doesn't have to read content from the internet, because I just want to get the script from this particular video. And after that, let's send the message and wait for AI to generate the answer. So it's going to be very quick, and there you go. So this is very accurate. I broke into a zoo to prove that one man is enough to fight a gorilla. And then welcome to the Chernobyl challenge. I'm going to lick this glowing pole. Let's see how many views this gets. Yeah, it's actually pretty accurate. And yeah, there is this transcription, and I think it could be useful if you're making a YouTube video and you want to create a chapter. Then you can use this feature to transcribe or create some chapter for your video. So yeah, that's essentially how you can create a transcription from a video using Perplexity AI. If you find this tutorial to be useful, then feel free to subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you on my next video. Have a great day.